Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn experience bullet points using Notion templates, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Notion app and create a new page. Title the page LinkedIn Experience Backup. In the empty page, select Template button from the block options. Name the button Add Experience Bullet Point. In the template creation window, type Experience Bullet Point as the title. Below the title, create a text block for the company name. Add another text block for the job title. Below that, create a text block for the time period. Finally, add a text block for the bullet points describing your responsibilities. Save the template. To use your new template, click on the Add Experience Bullet Point button. Fill in the details for each position you wish to back up. Make sure to include all relevant information from your LinkedIn profile. Once you've added all your bullet points, organize them under relevant headers if necessary. Consider adding tags for easier retrieval later. You can also use databases if you prefer a more structured format. Remember to regularly update your Notion page as you gain more experience. To ensure you never lose your data, periodically export your Notion page as a Markdown file. Use this Markdown file for additional backups or to share your experience with others. That completes your guide on backing up LinkedIn experience bullet points using Notion templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.